Today we're gonna learn how to use OBS broadcast open source software. First of all, go to this URL obsproject.com/welcome. Then select your operating system like this. If you are using Windows, click here. If you are using Linux, click here. Or if you are an Apple user, click on that Mac OS. Then the download button will proceed to this page. Click here. See, it's downloading. Wait couple of seconds. If you click on the download button here, you can see how many times required for downloading this, or you can press Ctrl J on the keyboard to see in details. The download is going on, 59% off. Finally, download is complete. Click on the open. Wait few seconds. Installation windows. Click on the next. Here is the destination where the OBS is gonna be installed. See program files, OBS Studio. Click install and wait. Click finish. It will launch the OBS Studio. Here you go. For the first time, you have to click on the next button. Then you're gonna click next, or cancel, whatever you want. This is the window. You can have the scene added. Okay, you have to click on the source, what you want to do. It might be the browser, it might be audio, it might be display. Display is what you were saying, looking at the screen, everything is gonna be recorded, or window capture. Okay, go ahead. If you have any question, please write comments and ask me. I will make another video. Thank you then. Have a nice day.